Over 6,000 teacher mentors are driving lasting impact across 23 countries. Between 2024 and 2025, their work improved learning in over 5,800 schools, raising overall education quality ratings from 65% to 78%. This momentum is followed by the Teacher Mentor Professional Development Workshops under Opportunity EduFinance's EduQuality program.
We get to observe that there are things that we knew, but we didn't know how to implement them.
It was about how to conduct yourself in a class, how not to be in a class, what are the things you can talk to children, what is the language you need to adapt.
From that program, we learned feedback, that when you give a teacher a task, you need to ask them for the feedback.
The program trains selected mentors in foundational teaching and leadership strategies, who in turn mentor teachers in their schools to build a sustainable professional learning network, creating a multiplier effect of ongoing peer support and improved classroom practice.
Ms. Akela was my mentor, and she explained us a few strategies like cold call and turn and talk, and how to practice inclusivity in classrooms, stuff like that.
Taught us how to use so many strategies in the classroom. Example, cold calls method. And that is where you list all learners' names, put inside a box or a container. When you have a lesson, you use those names to direct the attentions of the learners.
Through the structured journey of peer mentorship and 15 rigorous learning modules, educators build their capacity to lead.
When I as a teacher mentor stand in front of a group of teachers and I teach them something or I instruct them something, there is something I take it back from them.
How to introduce lessons and how to create the learners' attentions.
Inclusiveness, I have learned that. I can happily tell that no children in my class is left out, all are engaged.
During this program, we have progressive class. That progressive class are the children that are not getting along with others. So during this program, we learn how to deal with them, that they too will get along with what others are doing.